Hello, welcome to my first video recorded with these new glasses. This recipe is banana coconut flour mug cake that I'm going to microwave. First, you need 2 ripe bananas that you're going to mash. Looking good. So this is our mashed banana. I am going to add 7 full tablespoons of coconut flour, 3 teaspoons of sweetener. I like sucralose in powder. You can use sugar. You can use a little bit less, a little bit more. It really depends on your taste, and it depends if you're going to add fruits like raisins or chocolate chips or anything like that. I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon powder, just for a little touch. You can go crazy with it if you like, or you can add a little, even less than what I have here. Keep mashing. I don't really like to add the baking powder when I start, because it may react with the acidity from the banana, and your cake may grow a little bit less. So first I do it like this, and then I grab a half tablespoon of baking powder. Is more than enough. Okay, keep it closed always, otherwise you may lose some of its power along the time. Now I mix it delicately with the fork. I can already feel the baking powder reacting. So yeah, if you add this on the start, your cake will be a little bit heavier. I'm not sure it's the ideal way. So yeah, then you just do this. I am going to add some raisins here, so I am adding a little bit of raisins to the cake for sweetness. I press it lightly with my fork, and now I go to my microwave. I place it there, as you can see, 3 minutes. So now it's going to bake or cook for 3 minutes at high level. You can adjust to your microwave. Mine is 1000 watts. And once it's done, you wait for about 3 to 5 minutes minimum, so it cools down a little bit and it finishes cooking.
So this is how it looks inside of the microwave after it's finished, and this is how it looks when it's ready to eat. I wish you have fun and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye! Do you like chocolate? Stay tuned for my next recipe, which will be the chocolate mug cake.